is effective at that position. I'm joined by Ishtiaq Ahmed in the commentary box, and he will keep me company.
Time, experienced Cambinan flicks off the pads for 4, backward of square by Dilara Akhtar. Cuts beautifully all along the ground, 4 runs through point, deep point. So that's a magnificent shot by Dilara Akhtar. Ball pitch shot and deserved. Sweeps well, and that's going to be 4 runs backward of square. That's a magnificent shot by Dilara Akhtar.
From the grandstand end.
Shot and hooked backward of square for 4. That's a magnificent shot from a very confident.
Darted that one in, but no ball signaled, and will be a free hit. Was looking for the second. Now direct hit could have been trouble at the non-strikers then. Down the wicket, in the air. It's a free hit now, run out. I think that is a run out. Dipti Sharma, if I'm not wrong, was the fielder there. Good presence of mind. It was hit in the air, catch taken. But remember, this was a free hit, so catch will not count. But good presence of mind to throw the ball.
Eventually, they found Dipti Sharma, whose direct hit gave India this much needed wicket after Bangladesh remained wicketless in the power play.
Inside edge, gone through the legs of Richa Ghosh, the wicketkeeper. Should be a boundary, it is. Change of pace, loud appeal from Richa Ghosh, and the bowler also. She went deep into the crease, was looking to hit it away in that square leg region. She preferred the onside, around 30 innings or so. 22, beg your pardon, 22 innings in this position. Another single taken. But speaking of inspiring others, what inspired you? Darted that one in, was quicker. So will only come off the inside part of the bat and give Jyoti a single. But coming back to that.
Ambles in, bowls, comes down the wicket and plays it through extra cover, takes the aerial route. That's what the captain expects from the bowler. And the young Shriyanka Patil is obliging because she is bowling for her bowling.
That's a
run out which has been requested by the. I think that could be the end of the batter there. Subhana Mustari, the bat not placed properly. A good throw and a good glove work there by Richa Ghosh. Decision, and has been given out, and I think it's going to be Mustari. It's all about. That was a pull, attempted, given out, but the ball going straight to the pad.
Looks very close. Pitch up in the middle. I think hit in the middle of the stump as well.
So she's been benefited by bowling according.
Comes down the wicket, goes straight, mid-off inside the circle, clears the fielder, her counterpart. And Dipti Sharma, as the ball wins the race.
Got past the 3-digit score. An LBW appeal from Radha Yadav, and it's given. The Bangladesh captain has to depart. Did try to come down the track perhaps, but had to pay the price for it. Would have gone on to thump onto her back foot. Go down with the match referee.
Oh, came down the wicket, and Radha Yadav
Brings two, and Sharifa Khatun has to depart for a duck. Top of.
Takes a step forward. Oh, gone through the hands, but it sounded sweet of the bat. Pooja Vastakar. Short, in the air, top edge. Richa Ghosh does the rest as Bangladesh lose another one.
In the 16-member squad that India have brought to Bangladesh, But going by how Richa Ghosh has been used as the first
of the innings. Yorker, outside edge. Deep third is in position. Looking to come back for the second is Nahida and will give away her wicket in the process. Had to go for